In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Safe Search on Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. If your Google search results are being filtered and you want to turn that off, this tutorial will walk you through the exact process. It's quick, easy, and you don't need to install anything extra. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to google.com. This will take you to the Google homepage where you can access the search settings. Now look at the bottom right corner of the page and click Settings. A small menu will appear, and from there, click Search Settings. This will open Google's Search Preferences page. On this page, look for the Safe Search option. Safe Search is the feature that filters explicit content from Google search results, so if it's turned on, you may notice fewer results or more restricted results. Click on Safe Search to open the setting, then select Off. In many cases, the changes will save automatically, so you usually don't need to click anything else. Once that's done, you can go back to Google Search and continue browsing with Safe Search turned off. If you ever want to turn it back on later, you can follow the same steps and switch it back on anytime. And that's it. You've successfully removed Safe Search on Google Chrome. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple tech fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.